Richard, why would someone select this Vesta 1300B?
Well, the 1300B is really quite an interesting size of machine because it gives it the ability of having 1300 in X, 617Y, 650 strokes in the Z with a minimum distance of 150 millimetres of the spindle nose to the tabletop. So customers with long, thin parts that we don't want to need expensive fixtures for, we can do. Traditionally, when you start getting to around the 1.3 in the X-axis, you think of a bigger body of machine where the rapid is a lot slower tool changer, whereas this machine is still 30 metres a minute in X and Y. It's got a tool change which can be slowed down via program choice for heavy tools, as well as ultra fast tool changing for the standard BBT or BT40, depending on option. So it's a good compromise of size over performance, cycle time and speed of cutting.
The Hwacheon vertical machining centres, like the Vesta here, are they hailed as, well, they are hailed as high productivity machines. Can you maybe just go through a couple of the points that you could illustrate that meet that statement?
Well, you've got the 12,000 RPM, 25 horsepower drive, but it's not just a pure drive, it's got an electronic gearbox. So around 2,500, 3,000 revs, it automatically goes into the high gear. It's like dual winding is a technical term on the spindle. So it means that if somebody wants to do stainless steel cutting and say tap M20, M24, we've still got the power and the torque at the bottom end, the lower RPM, to achieve that good cutting. So it's really a good all-round specification.
Richard, if someone wanted one of these machines but was worried about purchasing at the moment, could they rent this from you? Could they look at some methods of deferring payments?
At the moment, given the current conditions, we're trying to be as flexible as possible with the financing. It's all done by Ward High-Tech's own finance division. So we've got one option where a customer can rent a machine for a period, and then if he's not confident, can give the machine back or choose to purchase it. Or another option would be a pause in the payments, or 0% finance, where he can save quite a lot because no interest over the term. Or really, we can mix and match and do a permutation of all three. Depends on the strength of the customer and also what is best for the customer.
Is your answer to this question the same as it was a few weeks ago when we were here? How quickly can you get this machine on the deck and cutting?
3 days.